I was alone in the computer lab, but the keyboard next to me was typing on its own. James stayed late at school to finish an essay in the computer lab. Only one other computer was on. Nobody sat there, but its screen was active. Lines of text being typed rapidly. He leaned over to look. It was typing an exact copy of his own essay, word for word. Even the typos. Then it paused and typed something new. "He's not you." James blinked, confused. Then his own screen began deleting itself. Character by character, he turned to the empty chair beside him. Now it wasn't empty. A version of himself sat there, pale, grinning. He stumbled back, grabbed his things, and ran out. But the next morning, his teacher emailed him, "Nice to finally meet you in person today. The version you submitted was perfect," but he didn't know. He never left the lab. The thing at the second computer just waited until he looked away, then took his place. Now James is locked out of his own life. And the copy? Tap subscribe if you're not afraid.